Hey everybody, welcome back to Brighten-Up-Sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. If you guys don't mind, go ahead and thumbs up today's artwork. I hope that you appreciate it and like it. It really helps the algorithm when you thumbs up today's artwork and allows other people to find this channel. Today we're going to be talking about a very interesting subject. And it's going to be about Bitcoin, understanding Bitcoin's origins, functionalities, and its role that it could play in a financial crisis. So I'm going to pronounce this name and we'll see if it's right, but Satoshi Nakamoto is the presumed name used by the person or the people who helped develop the first Bitcoin software and introduced the concept of cryptocurrency to the general public. See, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, and it's revolutionized the financial landscape since it was inceptioned and created by this figure that none of us know for sure if he really exists, Satoshi Nakamoto. Sounds fun, just saying. Bitcoin emerged as a decentralized digital currency aimed at transforming the traditional financial system. So we're going to explore Bitcoin's origins, how it functions, and its potential role during possibly financial crises, and how it has had global adoption. The birth of Bitcoin. It was 2008, and an individual or group used this mysterious name Satoshi Nakamoto and published the Bitcoin white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This white paper outlined a novel ideal. It was talking about a decentralized digital currency that operates without the need for central authority. The primary motivation behind Bitcoin was to address the problems associated with the traditional financial systems, such as inflation and centralized control. Bitcoin was officially launched in January 2009 with the release of its first software and the mining of the Genesis block, the first block on the Bitcoin blockchain. The core ideal was to create a currency that could be transferred directly between users without any need for an intermediary like banks using technologies called blockchain. How Bitcoin works. At the heart of Bitcoin is a blockchain technology. A blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This ledger is maintained by a network of nodes, computers, that validate and record transactions. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions and is linked to the previous block, forming a continuous chain or block, hence the name blockchain. Bitcoin transactions are validated through a process called mining. Miners will use computer power, basically, to solve complex mathematical problems, which secure the network and confirm transactions. Once a problem is solved, the transaction is added to a new blockchain, which is then added to, or a new block which is added to the blockchain. In return for their work, miners are rewarded with newly created bitcoins and transaction fees. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin ensures that no single entity has control of the network. This design makes Bitcoin resistant to censorship and fraud, as altering any information in the blockchain would require a majority of the network computer power. Bitcoin's role in financial crisis. Some people believe Bitcoin is very unique because it attributes that it has makes it an intriguing option during financial instability. Traditionally, currencies are subject to inflation and devaluation, particularly during financial instability. Traditional currencies are subject to inflation, as we've said, and devaluation, but not Bitcoin. It's a fixed supply cap of no more than ever 21 million coins, and it offers the alternative that is not subject to the same inflationary pressures as other monetary systems. During periods of financial uncertainty, Bitcoin can act as a hedge against currency devaluation. For instances, in countries experiencing hyperinflation or economic collapse, Bitcoin gained traction as a store of value and a means of transactions. Its decentralized nature allows individuals to retain value outside of traditional banking systems, providing some with a sense of financial security. Here are a few case studies. In Venezuela, they were facing severe hyperinflation and obviously an economic collapse. Many Venezuelans turned to Bitcoin as a store of value and of a medium of exchange. In El Salvador in 2021, they actually became the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, aiming to provide financial inclusion and stimulate economic growth. Let's talk about the global adoption of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has influenced a lot of things, and it extends beyond its role in financial crises. Around the world, countries have actually started adopting Bitcoin in various ways. El Salvador recognized the legal tender of Bitcoin, and the government has actually promoted its use for everyday transactions and investments. And take a look at Japan. Bitcoin is widely accepted by businesses and regulated as legal cryptocurrency. The United States, Bitcoin is increasingly used as an investment asset and is accepted by some merchants. In addition to these examples, Bitcoin has Bitcoin reaches globally with individuals and businesses across many countries, embracing its potential. As cryptocurrency adoptions grow, Bitcoin continues to make headlines and shape discussions about the future of finance. Empowering financial independence. Bitcoin represents a shift toward financial empowerment and independence by providing an alternative to traditional financial systems. Bitcoin allows individuals to have more control over their assets. This empowerment is particularly significant in regions where traditional banking infrastructure is lacking or is unreliable. So here's the conclusion. Bitcoin's journey from a revolutionary concept created by a mysterious person or group to a global financial phenomenon highlights its potential to transform the way we think about money and financial systems. From its origins and functionality to its role in financial crisis and global adoption, Bitcoin stands as a testament to the power of innovation, technology, all in shaping our financial future. As you explore Bitcoin further, consider how it might fit your financial strategy and educational pursuits. Stay informed, stay inspired, and embrace the opportunities that the digital age offers. If you have anything you want to add about Bitcoin, drop a comment below. Let us all know. Remember, the sun always rises. Keep shining, and I will see you in the next video.